Rapid wisdom. Do you know? Which continent is wider than the moon? Which animal has its heart in its head? Eiffel Tower gets taller in summer? Tigers have skin or fur? If not, then watch this video and increase your knowledge. And get some rapid wisdom. 1. Australia is wider than the moon. The moon sits at 3,400 kilometers, 2,113 miles, in diameter, while Australia's diameter from east to west is almost 4,000 kilometers, 2,485 miles. 2. Headphones can increase the bacteria in your ears. Wearing headphones for just an hour could increase the bacteria in your ears by 700 times. EU. 3. Scotland chose the unicorn as its national animal. In Celtic mythology, the fictional creature is connected with both chivalry and dominance as well as purity and innocence. 4. Avocados are not vegetables. Avocados are fruits because they are single-seeded berries. 5. You probably eat bugs in your sleep. There's a good chance that we will swallow 10 spiders and 70 types of insects, or more, in the course of our lifetimes. This is one of the weird fun facts we could do without. Yuck. 6. The Eiffel Tower gets taller in the summer. When the iron heats up, the tower can be up to 15 centimeters, 6 inches, taller due to thermal expansion. 7. Only 4 words in the English language end in "douse." Horrendous, tremendous, hazardous, and stupendous. 8. Human teeth are the only part of the body that can't heal themselves. Teeth are not made of live tissue and are coated in enamel, which can't spontaneously regenerate. 9. Bert and Ernie's names came from a Christmas movie. The Sesame Street characters were named after Bert the police officer and Ernie the taxi driver in Frank Capra's It's a Wonderful Life. 10. Switzerland prohibits the ownership of just one guinea pig. Since guinea pigs are such social creatures, one guinea pig would get lonely, so having just one is considered animal abuse in Switzerland. 11. Tigers have striped skin. It's not just striped fur. 12. A shrimp's heart is in its head. If that wasn't interesting enough, due to the nature of their open circulatory system, shrimp have no arteries, so their organs just float around in blood. 13. An 11-year-old accidentally invented ice pops. In 1905, young Frank Epperson left water and soda powder outside overnight with a wooden stirrer in the cup. When he discovered the mixture had frozen, the Epsicle was born. 14. We are more creative in the shower. Here's one of the most useful weird fun facts. If you've ever felt like you think better in a warm shower, you're probably right. The warm water increases the flow of dopamine and makes us more creative. 15. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. Dolphins need to come up for air every 10 minutes, but by slowing their heart rate, sloths can actually hold their breath for 40 minutes. 16. Fruit Loops are all the same flavor despite their different colors. This is such a disappointment, but it makes sense when you think about it. 17. The first airplane flight was on December 17, 1903. Wilbur and Orville Wright took the first airplane on 4 short flights at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. 18. Supermarket apples can be a year old. Are those apples you just bought actually a year old? Maybe. Farmers often pick apples in the fall, cover them in wax, hot air dry them, and then put them in cold storage. This keeps them edible and ready to sell for 6 to 12 months. 19. Most wasabi paste isn't real wasabi. If you've always thought that your store-bought wasabi tastes more like horseradish, you're probably right. It's often used as a substitute since real wasabi is expensive. 20. Venus is the only planet that spins clockwise. Every 225 Earth days, Venus travels around the Sun, but Venus rotates clockwise once every 243 days.